warm welcome to everyone. I am Haripriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So this video is a lecture video about men's apparel. So constructing a men's apparel garment. So first we are going to know about the measurements. This is a dress form of a man. So we are taking a measurements using this dress form. So first I am going to take a flexible tape. If a tape is flexible only, we can get an accurate measurements, so that we are using this flexible tapes. So first we are going to take the measurement in neck portion. Okay. So first we have to handle this steel clip as here, so that only we can get the measurement correctly. So this is the neck portion. It is 80. We have to leave some measurement left space here, so that only we will get an accurate measurement. It is 80. Okay. So next one is your shoulder portion. In shoulder portion, we have to make the highest point, so that we will get a good measurements. So from here, this is a shoulder bone. So from here to here we have to take the measurement. So first from here to here. So it is 19.5. We take it as 19.5. And the half shoulder from here to here. So from this point to this point, it is 6.5. Okay. So next one is full length. If you are taking a full sleeve or a full shirt measurement, the full length of the body has to be measured clearly. Okay. From this portion, this portion to you have to make, and it should be the highest point. It should be placed over the highest point. You have to take the measurement. Okay. So it is 26. Okay. It is 26. So next one is a chest measurement. So it's to be taken on the highest portion. It is 37.5. So next one is waist portion. It is here. So you can see a shape here. It is the waist portion. Okay. So your waist portion is 33.5.
Okay.
Next one is hip portion. Hip portion, which means your seating portion. So you have to make it correctly. Then only the shirt will be having good fitting.
Okay.
So it is 38. So this is the front basic measurements. Next, armhole measurement. So armhole is this portion. So you have to take a measurement over here. So you don't have a full sleeve or a full hand portion, so that we can't take on this measurement.
Okay.
I just having an outline of it. So it is 11.5 plus the bottom portion. It is 5. So 11.5 plus 5, it is 16.5.
Okay.
So your total armhole full length, full circumference is 16.5. Okay. In shirt, we will have an yoke portion, right? In your back portion. So for yoke, so based on that design, we can change it. Okay. So if we are having a yoke portion till here, or else to top, so that we can have an idea about it. So we have to measure from here, so till this one. So if it is 4, it should be here. Or else if it will be 5, it seems to be here. So your body portion has to be placed here. Right? So this is the yoke portion pattern. And again, if you are taking the chest measurement, the shoulder blades has to be correctly placed. So it has to be in the top. Right? So this is shoulder blade. So we have to take the measurement over this one, so that only it will be in proper.
Okay.
Right? So this is main measurements of men's garment in the top portion. So if we are going with bottom, like pant or pyjamas, whatever, first we have to take the hip measurement and waist too. Hip and waist we have to take. Then the full length. If you are taking a full length, come here, I'll take a measurement for you. If we are taking the full length, we have to take the measurement from here, so that it will be having the full length measurement like this. So it is 37. So both men and women, we have to take the measurement for full length of the bottoms. We have to take inside.
Okay.
Okay, so that only we can get a correct measurement. right? So this is the main thing. So seat portion has to be, like here we have already taken. So seat portion has to be taken clearly. Then the full length has been taken in this method. Okay. Then any other doubts on this measurements?
I want to give extra measurement for seating.
No. If we need, in men's garment we didn't need any extra seam allowance. We have to give minimum seam allowance because using what seam to finish it? What seam? Flat fill.
Flat.
So we are using flat fill seam. It's not a plain seam, it's not another seam. So flat fill is it and finishing seam, right? So you have to cut the one portion and you have to make a fold and you have to make a stitch over it. So it is a flat fill seam. No extra allowance has been given on the men's garment. So to avoid the extra allowances, we have to make accurate measurement. So then only we can go with good measurements. So we can conclude that. Okay. So this is the main measurements. Okay. Any other doubts?
Even the size will be vary from each body.
Yes. For men's, it will be varied based on their height. If someone seems to be very tall, but their shoulder measurement will be very less. If someone seems to be very short, but their shoulder measurement will be wide. So men have broad shoulders. So their measurement will be different from women to men. Even some tall person seems to be having very broad shoulders, but it's not like that. They will having very small length. So we have to take accurate measurements for men. So only it will be good, or else it will be somewhat changes. Okay. In men's, we will go with the same chest measurement so that it won't affect, but the shoulder measurement will be different. Even using the shoulder measurement, the collar has been different. The collar size is there, right? So it will be different. So we have to measure the shoulder correctly, then only the garment will be in a good form. Okay, so any other doubts?
How to take all the measurement?
So if you are going with collar, we have to closely take this measurement. Because your collar has been placed over your neck, not in your under neck, it will be placed over your neck. So you have to make the neck measurement correctly. Then you have to check with this. So that we will having an extra allowance